Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the CSS margin property. CSS margin is one of the most important property that you have to be very clear about as you're a web developer. To make you understand clearly, I have made a small HTML page here which displays total of 5 boxes. I arranged it like this for you to understand how does the margin property works. So we have a top box, left box, right box, bottom box, and we have the middle box here. So we are going to set the margin for the middle box so that you can see how does it affect the sides of the middle box. So actually the margin property is a property which will give you distance between the elements. So either top or left or right or bottom. Okay, so now I'm switching back to my VSS. I would like to show you VSS and the HTML display together so that you can see whenever I change the value what changes are happening here. So the middle box, this box, I have set a class called container, and I have set some basic styles for that, the container class, to show it exactly like this, right? And there are some other styles I set for the other boxes. That's not relevant here. That's only set for the boxes to display like this way. Okay, so now I'm going to set the margin. So I'm saying like margin, then I'm simply saying 20px. So you can see whenever I say margin 20px, that 20px distance is applied to top, right, bottom, and left side. So all the 4 sides of this middle box have got 20px margin. Okay, so what if I specify 2 values? I'm giving like 5px and 20px. So now what happened? So the first value we have given is taken for the top and bottom, and the second value we have given is taken for the left and right. So if you specify 2 values, the first value will be applied to top and bottom, and the second value will be applied to left and right. Okay, and what if I specify 3 values? For example, I'm giving like 10 px, then I'm saying 20px, then I'm saying 30px. So when I give 10px, 20px, 30px, 10px is applied to the top and 20px is applied for the right and left, and 30px is applied for the bottom. So that means the first value will be applied to the top and the last value will be applied to the bottom, and the value you specify in the center will be applied to the left and right. Okay, so what if I specify 4 values? For example, I'm giving like 5px, 10px, 20px, and 30px. Okay, so what happened? 5px is applied to the top, 10px is applied to the right, and 20px is applied to the bottom, and 30px is applied to the left. So you can see the margin property works clockwise, like top, right, bottom. This is how you specify the margin property. So you can either specify a single value that will be applied to all sides, and you can specify 2 values. The first value will be taken for the top and bottom, and the second value will be taken for the left and right, and you can specify 3 values. The first value will be taken to the top, and the second value will be taken to the right and left, and the last value will be taken to the bottom. And you can specify 4 values. It will be taken to top, right, bottom, left respectively. Correct? Okay. And even you can set the margin like individually. For example, if you want only the top margin, you can say margin dash top 20px. So what happens? That margin is applied only to the top area. correct? And same like that, in the place of top you can place left or right or bottom, and you can specify the measurement so that it will be like applied to that particular side only. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post. See you again. Bye for now.